Okay, it's Tuesday the 8th of November. We're at 5 to 7 and we are on the Ftse 100. So first review video since I've got back from Australia. As you can probably tell, I am still suffering from jet lag, hence I'm able to record this video at 5 to 7 in the morning. Okay, so Ftse 100 today. The main thing we have to go over is that the US election is today. The market may just completely flatline for the day, certainly into the afternoon, awaiting those results. When you have things like elections or news events that can drive the market, it's a very good idea not to have open positions, certainly going into overnight trading. As you can see right here, the market came all the way down, closed at 6,650. Over the weekend, the FBI announced that once again they are no longer investigating Hillary Clinton. Market gapped up into Monday and rallied all the way up into sort of 6,815, 6,820. So, looking at this market now, where we're looking at a potential triple bottom right here. The only thing we have to add to this is, of course, the market is going to be driven a lot by the election. So all we can do is do our analysis, and with what we can see, if it changes after the election, then so be it. So triple bottom, positive sign. The market has gapped up and then rallied. It has rallied into key area in the market right here. For me today, there's a couple of things that I'm looking at. Well, basically, if the market begins to trade above this level, accept above this level, then I'm expecting, over the short to medium term, the market to make a run up into 6,880 to 6,900. Whilst below this area, it is good resistance. I'm willing to watch it for short positions. Now that we have put in this triple bottom, what I'm also looking at is for potential early morning pullbacks into sort of 6,780 or 6,730. Just need to watch price action, and both good areas to look for potential buy positions. You can see back here, it's going to act as good areas of support. Right here, you can see the market reacting here, falls through, reacts to the levels, breaks above, comes back down, tests the levels, and shoots off. For me, those are the main things I am watching today. It's exactly what I've told subscribers this morning to watch out for on the 5-minute time frame. First of all, you can see the gap up right here. Very, very large gap up over the weekend. Okay, so currently we're at 7 AM, so it's still relatively early. I won't be trading until 7:30, 7:45, but this area right here is the main area for this morning. If I can get sell positions from up here, I will take them. If the market begins to break above and accept above, I will look for pullbacks and continuation. If the market falls back down into these levels down here or down here, I will look for potential bullish action and get into long positions. A little bit more unpredictable going into the US election. I'm going to watch the market and see. Potentially for me, I may not trade at all. It completely depends how this market opens and how it begins to react. So at 4:30, I will come back as always. We'll go over what the market did. Zone traders, I will take you through the potential setups that there was for the day. And we will look at what it is suggesting for the market moving forward. Okay, it's 5:30. The Ftse is now closed, so let's have a look at price action for today. Okay, so this morning we identified this zone right here as key. Whilst below here, I was happy to look at this as resistance for sell positions, and then we went over if the market broke out of this zone, we could expect to see a rally up into these levels up above. This is exactly what we've seen. coming into the close of this market. Basically, this is now investors betting on Clinton winning this election. So, market opened right here at 8 AM, shot up into the zone where we've seen rejection at 8:15. Pre-market, where the market is stalled right here. This is where I was looking for potential exit slash management point of the trade. This trade, I've actually recorded this as the live trade. It will be posted as a separate video. Entry right here, taking the market down into these levels. As the market paused, began to hover and pop back up, I just simply exited the trade. Now, zone traders for the rest of the day, there was multiple entries just doing exactly the same thing. Down into the level, down into the level, down into the level, and down into the level. We then get to 245. Market breaks down. Does not quite reach the lows that the market has been making. Reverses. Breaks out of the zone at 325. And subsequently we see the rally coming into this market up into the above target. So now looking at this market now, well, going over what it suggests moving forward. I don't want to look too much into this until we get the election out of the way. Basically, this rally is completely based on the market pricing in a Clinton win at this election. So once we get that out of the way, then we can start to do our analysis once again. Likely overnight there will be some very, very choppy price action. If Trump wins, this will likely all come back off again very, very quickly. And if Clinton wins, it will likely be maintained. But we just need to wait and see moving forward. So, okay guys, as always, I hope that was helpful. I'm James Orr, and thank you.